36 Stratagems. Number 8. Sneak through the Passage of Chencang.
I quote, "Deceive the enemy with an obvious approach that will take a very long time, while ambushing them with another approach. It is an extension of the Clamor in the East, attack in the West tactic, but instead of merely spreading misinformation to draw the enemy's attention, physical decoys are used to further misdirect the enemy. The decoys must be easily seen by the enemy to draw their attention while acting as if they are meant to do what they are falsely doing to avoid suspicion."
The best way to hide a secret move is to make it look like a boring, predictable chore. General Han Xin faced a major obstacle. He needed to move his army to attack, but the only path was blocked and heavily guarded. He ordered his troops to publicly repair the main gallery road, a massive, noisy, visible project that signaled to the enemy exactly where he intended to go. While the enemy focused all their attention on guarding that road, Han Xin marched his entire force through the hidden Passage of Chencang, a forgotten, narrow trail miles away. By the time the enemy realized the deception, Han Xin had already bypassed their defenses. In the modern world, this is the strategic diversion. When you have a truly disruptive project, don't keep it a secret. Give the public and your competitors a gallery road to look at. Create a loud, labor-intensive and public-facing initiative that draws all their focus. While they are busy monitoring that project, you are secretly executing your real high-impact strategy through a side channel that no one is watching. Your move. If you're planning something bold, start a repair project. Create a public narrative, a new side product, or a PR campaign that requires attention. Use that noise to shield your real work from prying eyes. Subscribe to the playlist to master the full 36 essential tactics.